Hi, my name is Ashumi Shah and I studied at Ashoka University. I did a Bachelor of Arts in Psychology and then a postgraduate diploma in Advanced Studies and Research in Psychology again at Ashoka. I really enjoyed my time over there. The best part, of course, was most of my classes, whether it was psychology related classes or other ones that I took at Ashoka. I really enjoyed learning from the professors, and I enjoyed that they made it a very interactive kind of education style. So it wasn't just lectures. We had discussion sessions, we were given interesting assignments, and we were all encouraged to explore our own interests within that particular field, choosing our topics for research projects, essays, and things like that. And discuss these with our classmates, and really we were given a lot of freedom within a particular field, and I liked that the most about my classes at Ashoka. The psychology degree at Ashoka is designed is that every psych major has to take a combination of core or mandatory courses and then a certain number of elective courses as well. So the mandatory courses are one introductory course, two statistics and research methodology courses, and five theoretical courses, which span like the basic psychology, which is biological psychology, cognitive psych, social psychology, developmental psychology, and clinical psychology. So after taking these courses, then there are the electives, and Ashoka offers many. We had classes in qualitative research methods, in advanced psychopathology, in neuroscience, in counseling psychology and helping skills, trauma, in psychometric testing, which helps design sort of standardized tests like IQ tests and personality inventories, psychology of language, cross-cultural psychology, things like that. So a lot of each one kind of catering to different interests, whether someone is interested in cognitive psych or clinical psych or developmental or social psychology. I personally am interested in the counseling aspect, and that's the most number of electives that I took. So I took Introduction to Counseling Psychology, Helping Skills, which is the skills that they kind of teach counselors. I took a class in trauma as well, in advanced psychopathology. And these really, I feel like these really sort of laid a strong foundation for me to kind of go in that direction eventually. But I had friends who were interested in other aspects of psych as well, whether it was developmental psych or social psych, and they had a lot of options for classes as well. And then Ashoka also allows students, undergraduate students, to pursue what they call ISMs, which is an independent study module, and then a thesis, which is done in the fourth year. So students can sort of pick one topic that they are interested in. It's a really specific topic, and then they work with an advisor from the department for, well, it's one semester for an ISM, and then one entire academic year for a thesis. So they work with an advisor, kind of creating and fine-tuning the research question, collecting data, running all of the tests, analyzing that data, and eventually writing and presenting an actual report. So it is a very sort of holistic program. We learn the theory, and we also learn how to kind of conduct research and some practicing skills as well. So yeah, it's a great program.